Hi, good day and mabuhay everyone. I am Justin Dignadisi, a first-year student from the BSHM 1A. Today, I'll be sharing a short reflection on my role in a globalized world. For me, globalization means the growing connection of people and countries through technology, communication, and trade. It allows ideas, cultures, and opportunities to cross borders faster than ever before. One positive effect I see is how globalization gives us easy access to information and education. I can learn from international sources and connect with people worldwide through social media. However, one negative effect is the loss of some Filipino traditions and values, as many young people adopt foreign cultures and forget their roots. Personally, I've noticed this in my daily life, from the shows I watch to the way I communicate online. It reminds me that while we learn from others, we must also stay proud of who we are as Filipinos. Being a responsible global citizen means using these global connections wisely with respect, awareness, and purpose. One action I can take is to promote digital responsibility by using social media to spread positivity and cultural appreciation instead of misinformation or hate. Even small acts online can create a big impact in our shared world. In our globalized world, we are all connected. As the saying goes, think globally, act locally. Let's use the connection to make our world a more understanding and united place. Thank you for listening. Once again, I am Justin Dignadisi. Mabuhay!